Good morning, student. Today we are going to complete our lesson number 2's question answer. It means exercise. Question number 1. Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Number 1. In 1453, the city of the Daidash was conquered by Ottoman Turk. Options are given: Venice, Constantinople, Rome, and Paris. So correct answer is Constantinople. Second one, the Industrial Revolution began in Daesh, England, France, Italy, and Portugal. So the correct answer is England. Next one, Daesh tried to put restriction on the illegal trade of British. Here Siraj Ud-Dawla, Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar, and Shah Alam. So correct answer is Mir Qasim. Question number 2. Explain the following concepts. First one, colonialism. What is meant by the colonialism? So here answer of this question is here. Colonialism means one country exploiting another country by making it into a colony. A powerful country on the basis of economic and military strength occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. This is known as colonialism. The next concept is imperialism. Imperialism, it means a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Many countries from Asian and African continent fell prey to this imperialist aspiration of the European nations. So next concept is Age of Renaissance. Age of Renaissance. Now see here. During this period, Reformation, religious reforms, movement, and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as the Age of Renaissance. So, next concept is capitalism. Capitalism, it means, now see, with the discovery of new sea routes, began a new era of trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with Eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus there was a rise of many trading companies. Now see, the next question. Explain the following statement with reasons. First, Siraj Ud-Dawla was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. The answer of this question is here. Robert Clive diplomatically bribed Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of the Nawab's army, and also promised to make him the Nawab of Bengal. Nawab Siraj Ud-Dawla and the British troops met at Plassey in 1757 AD. But under the leadership of Mir Jafar, the Nawab's army made no move to actually join the battle, and hence Siraj Ud-Dawla was defeated. Now see, next question. European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to the trading companies. The answer of these questions are here. Trade with oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to these trading companies. Now, next question. Complete the following tables. First, sellers and contributions. So, first one, Bartholomew Dias is reached to the tip of South Africa. Second seller is Christopher Columbus. He reached on the eastern coast of the continent of America. And the next, Vasco da Gama reached the west coast of India as the Calicut port. So dear student, you have to write down this question answer in your notebook.